Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on your Chevy Blazer. Let's get to it. So we're coming up into the rainy part of the season, April, and windshield wipers, these ones, there's a big old piece missing out of the side of this one, or hanging off, and they just need to be replaced. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of these windshield wipers off of Amazon. I can put a link down in the description below of what you're going to need to replace the old wipers with. Now, this is very simple. It just takes a simple pry tool and just pop them off, put them back on. Let's just go ahead and just jump right into that, and yeah, I'll show you how to do it. Now, when we're talking about windshield wipers, there's two different sizes. This one's for the driver's side, the smaller one is for the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and work on the passenger side right now. So set that off to the side. This is very, very simple, and all you need is just a simple pry tool. I'm going to use this small little pick, and what you're going to want to do is right here, there's a cover. You just lift up on that cover, and see how simple that is? A little door starts swinging. Now when you lift up on that, you can just go ahead and then lift up on the arm and push towards the driver's side of the vehicle. And that's going to release it from the J. We'll just set that down softly and put this off to the side. Yeah, so this is why we need to replace these. They're all worn out. So then we have our direct replacement right here. A little bit different cover on it. Just as simple though, you just push on these two tabs. Yours might be just like factory. It could be a little bit different like mine. So we're gonna go ahead and situate this to where we need it to be. So it's gonna fit just like that. We're gonna slide it under the cover and then back in and let it grab on the J and then close it. Hear that snap. And then there is the protector on the wiper that we just need to pull off, this little green piece. And then just like that, that one is done. Looks very good, just like OEM. If you do want OEM specific, I'll also try to put down in the description this same exact OEM one that has this cover on it. This one has a more vinyl type cover along the top of the windshield wiper. So I'll make sure to include this exact OEM replacement if this is the look you're looking for. So let's go ahead and just do the driver's side real quick. Should be the same exact way. Same deal, just pop the top, lift it up, and then lift up on the arm, slide towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Take this one off. And then I'm just gonna feed it through the cover clip. Push through until we hear the click, push down, click again, and then take off the protector. And there we go. That one is now on. And there we go, out with the old and with the new. So like I said, if you need the exact replacements or the Amazon replacements, the ones that I've purchased, go ahead and hit the link down below. Super easy, you saw it there. It took me maybe 2 minutes to do them, and hopefully it takes you just about the same amount of time. So if this helped you at all, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, it really helps out, and also check my other videos. Got a bunch out there, so until next time.